Justice Mansoor Shah said, this is not only interference. You see, since we have taken this notice, especially two of our learned members of the bench have been targeted. This is not interference, this is a threat to the two judges.
मैं उसी को ही रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहता हूँ.
आप देखें,
शेमफुल है,
देखें एक
डिस्गस्टिंग है, अनएक्सेप्टेबल है.
Attorney General, Attorney General,
No, it's not enough. You have to respond to
Attorney General,
जी साहब बात कंप्लीट कर लो.
this. Unacceptable और
जी
इसका
साहब जरा सुन ले, बात कंप्लीट करने दे. देखिए, और तो छोड़े, हाई कोर्ट के जजेस को तो छोड़ दे कि उन्होंने एक शिकायत की है. शिकायत जो उनका अशर हुआ है, हमने जो नोटिस लिया, हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है? क्या इस तरीके से इंडिपेंडेंस हो सकती है? क्या आप मेंबर के पर्सनल इस पे जजमेंट आ चुकी है? हम एक जजमेंट और देते तो क्या होगा?
बिल्कुल.
अगर इसी तरह होना, हम 10 जजमेंट और देते हैं.
नहीं सर, ये तो जो
Attorney General साहब,
I think Zara sir, let's finish reading it, then we can give our opinions later.
Let me just complete. 2018 में जो malicious campaigns, but that is part of our job. We are under an oath. We have never cared about it. मैंने अपना कभी भी नहीं कहा. But when the children's and the wives
Yes.
and family members data is stolen from the government departments, the immigration and NADRA, the presumption and entire onus is on the state. You cannot just make a statement that it is shameful.
No sir,
That
it's a crime,
is-
sir.
listen.
It's a crime, sir.
People,
Crime.
it is difficult in this country to speak the truth.
A crime, sir.
Those brave enough who speak the truth, there are judges we know जिनको सिर्फ कहते हैं कि तुम्हारा बच्चा फलां जगह में पढ़ता है, and it's the state which is doing it.
You see now,
Let us be honest about it.
Attorney General,
Sorry, I must intervene. We can keep giving our opinions. Can we just finish seeing what the high courts we actually pursuant in order asked for? Let's read those, then we can discuss the matter further. आप कौन सा पढ़ रहे थे अभी आप?
can I just make one comment before we read the thing? मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि if we don't address this issue today, we're going to lose out on a lot. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, why is it ये फोन उधर रख दो, इस फोन को उधर रखो, फोन को उधर रख के बात करो, इधर आ जाओ, उधर बात करो, ये क्या हो रहा है? What sort of a culture are we running here? इस कमरे में नहीं बैठो, उस कमरे में बाहर निकल के बात करो, ये कोई सुन लेगा, फोन कुछ हो जाएगा. Is this a state? What kind of a state are we running? That I have to put my phone away, I cannot talk to anybody, इस कमरे में कुछ हो सकता है, उस कमरे में कुछ हो सकता है. What kind of a culture is this? So now that the case is there, let's sort these issues out.
Yeah.
I mean, what kind of culture is this that I'm scared all the time that somebody's recording me, somebody's watching me? What is this? So do we read and आप पढ़े ना वो 1984 George Orwell का,
Yeah.
the Big Brother is watching? What is going on? I mean, let's sort these issues.
Honor,
Let's sort it out.
everyone has become very fearful. Can I, on a lighter note, I was talking on the phone, this was not now, before, much before. Someone said, oh, your phone will be tapped. I said, I hope so they can hear what I'm saying and they reproduce it exactly. So, आप आगे बढ़ें, let's finish this. We can let's reserve our comments.
हाई कोर्ट का मैं कंप्लीट कर दूं, लाहौर का फिर then I move.
Let's go through all the judges.